Welcome. Welcome to find y in this expression. Let's come to the solution. As y power 4 plus 4 is equal to 0, we can write this as y square whole square plus 2 can be written as 2 square is equal to 0. Adding 4y square on both sides. This implies y square whole square plus 2 square plus 4y square is equal to 0 plus 4y square. Added 4y square on both sides. This implies y square whole square plus 2 square plus 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2. 2y square multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4 is equal to 0 plus 4y square is equal to 4y square. Now as we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole squared. So here this y square is a, 2 is b, 2ab, this is 2ab. So we can write this as a plus b whole squared is equal to 4y squared. This implies y square plus 2 whole square is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square into y square. Y square plus 2 whole square is equal to 2 square y square. We can write this as 2y whole square. Now taking square root on both sides, this implies this square cancel with square root and it gives us y square plus 2. This is equal to 2 cancel with square root gives us plus minus 2y. So y square plus 2 is equal to plus minus 2y. So first case y square plus 2 is equal to 2y and y square plus 2 is equal to minus 2y. This implies y square, move this 2y from right hand side to left hand side, it gives minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. And y square, move this negative 2y from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes positive 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let this is case 1 and this is case 2. In case 1 this is a quadratic equation having a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 2. And the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So y is equal to here minus b, the value of b is negative 2 plus minus whole square root of b is minus 2 b squared minus 4, value of a is 1 and c is 2. Divide by 2 multiply by 1 because a is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to minus into minus plus 2 plus minus. Minus 1 squared is equal to plus 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 multiplied by 2 gives us 8. Divide by 2. This implies y is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 8 gives us minus 4 divided by 2. This implies 2. This is equal to 2 plus minus 4. We can write this as 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Y is equal to 2 plus minus this whole square root of 4 into minus 1 can be written as square root of 4 square root of minus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 4 is equal to 2 minus 1 square root is equal to iota divided by 2. This implies y is equal to take common 2 from numerator 2 and inside 1 plus minus iota divided by 2, and this implies y is equal to this 2 cancel with this 2 1 plus minus iota. So from the first case we have the values of y. We have two values of y. One is 1 plus iota and the second one is 1 minus iota. Now we find the value of y from second case. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 2. So by using formula minus b, here b is equal to 2 plus minus b squared. B squared means 2 squared minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is 2 divided by 2a, 2 multiplied by 1. So this implies y is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 squared is equal to 4 minus 4 multiplied by 2, 8 divided by 2. This implies y is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 8 gives us minus 4 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 can be written as 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Here this whole square root we can write is as 4 square root into square root of minus 1. Y is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 gives us 2 and square root of minus 1 is equal to iota divided by 2. Take 2 common from numerator. Here minus 1 inside plus iota divided by 2. This implies y is equal to this 2 cancel with this 2 minus 1 plus minus iota. So from the second case we got two values. First is minus 1 plus iota and the second one is minus 1 minus iota. So finally we have the four values of y from this expression. Thank you for watching.